Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to see where my Instagram account is logged in. So open your Instagram, then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right, and then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. And then from here, you just need to tap on the settings and privacy. Now under your settings and privacy, tap on account center. Then here, so you can see your account center. Under the account settings, tap on this password and security. So once you tap this option here, just need to go here under security checks, tap on this when you're logged in. And then right over here, you just need to tap on the account that you want to see what device used to log in your account. So for example, just want to choose the second option here. So tap this arrow button, and then if you want to log out this, tap on this select devices to log out. And then check on this circle icon right here and then tap on log out button. And once you've done here, just need to tap on log out to confirm your action. So you have been successfully logged out on all selected devices. So that's how you basically see where my Instagram account is logged in. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.